So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a checklist here in Apple Notes. So I'm just going to go into a note example right here, go into my example notes. I'm going to unlock the note here real quick. My password's cat. It's very wonderful. Once it's unlocked right here, if you wanted to create a checklist, so let's just say checklist is like this. Go ahead and just simply press the screen right here. It'll open up this tab. Now, on this bar right here that I'm sliding, the second option, there's a little checklist icon. Go ahead and select that. So let's just say it's, eat breakfast. And automatically, if you press return, there's another checklist, eat lunch, eat dinner. That's your checklist. Now, if you want to check something off, go ahead and press the button, and it goes ahead and checks it. If you want to uncheck it, you can uncheck it and basically do what you got to do. And yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a checklist on Apple Notes. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.